don't give up whatever your goals are. Stick with them. Don't give up. And also, don't make irrational decisions now. Trust the process. Irrational decisions meaning like, if you have a job you don't like, but you just feel like, man, I don't like this job. The universe is going to provide. Let me quit. No, no, no. That's an irrational decision. You don't do that without seeing the universe giving you signs first, like with my position. That's irrational decisions. If you know you don't like your job, find peace with it until you get the next step from the universe to move. Because you're going to need income. You're going to need the money. The money's going to help you somehow. Unless you know that you leave your job, you're going to have money, then you can do that. But don't make irrational decisions, guys. Look for the signs. The patterns will lead you. That way you will be more successful. That's how the game works. You do that, you'll be fine. I see a lot of people will do that, man. Make irrational decisions. I was like, why did you quit? Because the universe is going to provide for me. I said, did you see a sign from the universe directing you? Nah. See? Thank you, Moon Goddess 888. Who's Shona? Shona needs to be blocked. You know, you're going to always have like a... When you do these lives, people, there's always going to be like an NPC in here. You're going to always have an NPC or a bot. Always going to be someone in the chat, man, always. But it's a good thing. If they're watching, that means they want to learn something. So don't just ignore the bots. The NPCs. You're going to always have an NPC or a bot in one of these chats. What is this here we got? This is your lottery numbers here? 14, 32, 36, 45, 50. Hey, maybe somebody here gonna get these numbers too. I did some favors to help out, and this next day I got blessed with 240 bucks. Congrats. Look like you guys don't want to leave here. The NPC glitched. Yeah, whatever, you know, with everything, you know, you're gonna look, you're gonna have haters. It's a part of the game, man. It's a game. It's a game. You're gonna have NPCs and bots. They're gonna be a part of the game, so you can't pay attention to them. They'll talk and they'll spam you, whatever it is. Don't give your energy to them. They're looking for attention. It's even worse now, because the thing is, like, if you find my channel, you have to be searching for this stuff. Yeah, some of it pops up on your newsfeed, but it's an algorithm now. So it's just, my information is only looking for people who's looking for my information. So when you find NPCs or bots in your chats, these people are like, they're really like, they are someone who's bitter. They're more likely tried to use this and it didn't work for them because they didn't do it the right way. So they want to take like vengeance out, and they like search out your type of information, and they put stuff in there, because you really got to search the stuff out. That's the only reason I could see you get NPCs and bots in here, or they're just bots programs, right? There's a lot of chaos in my life right now. There's a blessing on the way for you. That's right. If you experience a lot of chaos in your life, man, be strong. Keep your imagination. Keep your focus. You're about to come through big time. That's usually a good sign. That means there's a clearing coming. You're changing momentum. So when you see chaos, relax. Don't force. Allow. Control what you can control. Let go. What is an NPC? An NPC is what I call a non-player character. And an NPC is someone who lives in the Matrix, who hasn't awakened yet, or who is still stuck in the mentality of a Matrix mindset. They aren't open to how the universe works. They don't understand how their mind works. They see things in a simplistic and ego way. Like a video game, they have these, you see these NPCs, they walk around like this, but they're just part of the game. You can't talk to them, they're like that. That's what that's why I refer to an NPC is. They're playing a character role. They're playing a character. They're playing a role. It's a part of the game, guys. I won a free ticket with a free ticket. Yeah, that's good. You see that? That's how I won. You see that free ticket I won? I won $10,000 on a free ticket. Did you see that? So those free tickets are money, man. I have the pictures in my community tab. You could go look at it. It was a free ticket. It was $10,103. They try to take the focus away from us. Yep. So now you know what NPCs are. Haters are gonna hate. It's part of the process, man. That's right. Your imagination is God. Rose, congratulations. Thanks. Finally. I'll say something about that. That win. And about the creation process, right? So look, I think I made a video, someone pointed out to me a while ago, and the video, we're going up on 2 minutes, 2 hours, 17 seconds here. Okay, let me get this quick. So in the video, I think I mentioned I'm going to manifest 10K, because I was showing someone the ability of using your words and your belief and just let go. So I said I'm going to manifest $10,000, and I'm open to the way I'm going to manifest the $10,000. Now, I didn't plan on manifesting $10,000 in the lottery now. You know, I laughed and I joked about it because I said, knowing me, the 10,000 will come through the lottery. But I wasn't thinking about the lottery. I was more focused on being open. And that's why I totally forgot about it. When I manifested the 10,000 is when someone on my community wrote and says, hey, Mark, is this the 10,000 that you said you were going to manifest in the lottery? And I said yes. Hold up, I got a question here from a donation. How do I boost my manifestation? There is a car I want to manifest. Wait a minute, hold up. I gotta get this thing right here. Okay. Now it's showing my finger. Look at this. See how this stuff tripping up? How do I boost my manifestation? There's a car I want to manifest. I see it every day, but not able to manifest. It's around. Why isn't it stopping? So when it comes to cars, you visualize. If you can go see the car, go see the car. Stop looking for the car. The car will come to you. Just be open. It'll come. It'll get it. Don't try to focus. Stop focusing on what you don't have. Just keep focusing on it. You'll get it. But yeah, back to the manifestation thing, right? Okay, someone keeps donating. Thank you, Mark. I'm a truck driver. Don't like my job. Feel like quitting, like you did. Want to become airline pilot. Should I wait for money first, or go for it and money will just come and find me? Yep. So when something like that, if you kind of have an idea what you want to do, if you want to be an airline pilot, the question you got to ask, did you take training, or do you have some knowledge of that? If you do, then yeah, you can go for it. That's when the help will come to you. And then feel it out. Look for the signs. Ask the universe. Say, hey, give me a sign. This is the best way to know to do something. This is the number one thing, my go-to method right here. When I'm gonna do something I'm not sure about, I go like this. I said, just like this. I said, hey, give me a sign and let me know if I'm to go. That's it. And you're gonna know. Yeah, but the thing with that is okay, with the $10,000 there, yeah. So I forgot about it, and someone mentioned to me that, was this a 10,000? I was like, oh yeah, it is. They reminded me. But the point I'm showing you is, like, whenever you're gonna manifest something, you gotta do it in that order. Like, I said it and I literally forgot about it. Like, literally, I didn't think about it again. I moved on because I assumed it was done. That's a very important tip for you to understand when you're gonna create anything. That will always bring stuff into the world. Okay? Ever notice haters, complainers always look really old? Okay, guys. All right. I think we did enough today, right? Almost 2 hours and 30 minutes. So, good stuff, guys. I'll catch you again next week.